Welcome back, Flavor Fanatics. I got news, and it is delicious news. Long awaited, mouth watering, like kick your mouth, kick yourself in the mouth, kung fu kicking.
That's right.
Punching, all that good stuff. The Kung Fu Trio is what we're talking about here. Kung Fu Mofo. Yeah, Kung Fu Mofo. It's real, it's in a bag, and it's coming to you. Jade Dragon. It's going to light some stuff up. And Bonsai Blossom. Patience Grasshopper. It's delicious. And we used all three to make our fantastic dish that we have today. And I got to tell you, the smell on this is just driving me nuts. Yep. I did get a little bit of it because I couldn't wait for all this to eat some. But we made sticky rice, okay? Yep. So this is crispy sticky rice. And you're like, that looks like fried rice to me. Kind of. It's a little different, though. So for this one, for this recipe, first off, we started with sushi rice instead of just white rice or jasmine rice. So that's a big difference because of the gluten,
right?
And all that good stuff. Because we wanted to stick together. We wanted something to toast when we were cooking. So we cooked the rice off. We cooled it down. All right. Then into this hot skillet. And we use cast iron. Obviously, you can do this on your flat top.
Yeah,
probably be easier. No-brainer on a flat top. Yeah. But if it's raining outside and your flat top isn't covered, cast iron it is. So we started out with a little bit of peanut oil in our cast iron skillet. We put about a tablespoon of sesame seeds in there to toast them really quickly.
Why peanut oil, Grasshopper?
Why peanut oil? Because it has a higher smoke point. And it also, in this case, does lend a little bit of flavor to it.
So rice, when you brown it off, has a nuttiness to it. Mm-hmm. And so you're just amplifying.
Yeah. So we got the sesame seeds in there, and then we start adding. So we add chopped up pineapple. We add freshly diced jalapeno. We add diced bell peppers, the sweet peppers. Green onion. I said that, didn't I?
I don't know. I'm looking at the shrimps.
Those 13, 15 shrimps. So basically what we did there is we peeled the vein and we took the tails off and chopped up 3/4 pound of shrimp, put it in there. We reserved a 1/4 pound with the tail still on, and we added that in at the very last.
Mostly for a choking hazard. Surprise!
We squeezed half a lime, half a lemon. We had 1 orange that we supremed and chopped the flesh up and mixed in there. This is one of those you can kind of grade the fridge and make. Yeah, it's fantastic. I'm not gonna wait.
Let's talkie. More scoopy.
More scoopy.
I'm about to take a bite right now.
You bite
before we even garnish it. Yeah. Look, I got the choking hazard.
You got the choking hazard.
Oh my gosh, the citrus. The bonsai blossom finish with the citrus. So good.
That wasabi and all that savory right in the middle. But, man.
Kung Fu Mofo hanging out there.
Talk about waking up. Like, this is...
The best part of waking up is Kung Fu in your cup. The pineapple pieces complement all the citrus in the powders. They're so good. You got that heat creeping. Yeah, so from savory to sweet, with all three of them being in there, the Kung Fu brings all the savory. Kung Fu Mofo, it's all about the savory. Jade Dragon's just a touch of sweet, just a touch. A little less savory than Kung Fu, but it's got the wasabi punch.
Yeah.
And then Bonsai Blossom's not savory at all, really, but it's all about the sweet, delicate citrus. All right, well, we're just making sounds and not making coherent words anymore. So I think it's a winner.
In case you didn't know, you know now. BarbecueProShop.com. It's your secret to getting good flavor. Fantastic flavor. The only flavor that we do a Flavor Anonymous, big, beautiful flavor.
Like you said, BarbecueProShop.com. Order all three. You want all three because you're going to find different places. You're going to use them in different ways. But they are 100%, they need to be in your flavor arsenal.
Yeah.
They're fantastic.
Yeah, if you like fried rice, if you like Asian flavors, you got to have it. BarbecueProShop.com. Don't forget to follow us and Barbecue Pro Shop. Social media at Barbecue Pro Shop, BBQ Pro Shop, and at Flavor Anonymous. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you.
Less talking, more eating.
Mm.